Dear friends, in class 7 we have 5th chapter Lights and Angles. We are studying 5th chapter and in exercise 5.1 we have the first question. Find the complement of each of the following angles. First is 20 degrees. Now we have already studied sum of complementary angles is 90 degree. So complement of 20 plus some angle is 90 degree. We have to find that some angle. See, we know that sum of complementary angles is 90 degree. So 20 plus x, let complementary angle be x. Let complementary angle be x. So 20 plus x must be equal to 90 degrees. Now if you transpose 20 to the right hand side, it is positive, it will become negative. So transpose 20 to RHS. Transpose 20 to RHS. We will get x is equal to 90 minus 20. Please note it is positive. When it changes side, it becomes negative. So this is equal to 70 degrees. It means complement of 20 is 70 degrees. Therefore, we can say that complement of 20 degrees is 70 degrees. Now second is 63 degrees. This was the first part. Second part, for 63 degrees. Again you can solve similarly and find the complement for 63 degrees. So here also let the complement be x. Therefore, we will get x plus 63 is equal to 90 degrees. Now, if you transpose 63 to RHS, transpose 63 to RHS, you will get x is equal to 90 minus 63. Now, this is 10 minus 3 is 7, 1 carries or 1 borrow written, you will get 90 minus 7, that is equal to 2. Therefore, complement of 63 is complement of 63 is 27 degrees. Complement of 63 degrees is 27 degrees. Now similarly you can solve the third as well. So here third angle is 57 degrees. Here also we can solve in the same way. Please note down this, pause the video and note down this. Again I am solving the third problem now. I will just change the number. Let the complement be x. So I will get 57 plus x is equal to 90 degrees. Transpose 57 to RHS. You will get 90 minus 57. X is equal to 90 minus 57. So this becomes 0 minus 7 is 3. 1 borrow written. 9 minus 6 is 3. So complement of 57 degrees is 33 degrees. This is the third sub question of the first question. Dear friends, we have the second question. Find the supplement of each of the following angles. So this is the second question. Let us go to the first part of this. Now we know that sum of supplementary angles is 180 degrees. So we know this rule. We know that sum of supplementary angles is 180 degrees. Please note, sum of supplementary angles is 180 degrees and sum of complementary angles is 90 degrees. Don't get confused here. We have first in that it is 105 degrees. We don't know. Now sum of means 105 plus some other angle is equal to 180 degrees. Let that supplementary angle be x. So let supplementary angle be x. Let supplementary angle be x. So we will get 105 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. Now transpose 105 to right hand side. Transpose 105 to RHS. Please note this is positive, so when it is transposed it will become negative. We will get x is equal to 180 minus 105. So 180 minus 100 is 80, minus 5 is 75. It means this is 75. Subtraction you can do the way you like it easier. The x is equal to 75 degrees. Thus we have got supplement of 105 is 75 degrees. Similarly, we can solve the second and third question. If you are able to pause the video, you solve and check whether you have got the same answer or not. So second question is for 87 we will solve in the same way. Let the supplement be x. Therefore we will get 87 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. Now transpose 87 to RHS. Transpose 87 to RHS. So this will become negative. We will get x is equal to 180 minus 87. Please note 180 minus 80 is 100. 100 minus 7 is 93. You can do the subtraction as you like. So thus we have got supplement of. Therefore supplement of 87 degrees is 93 degrees. This is the second part, second sub question. Now third is 154 degrees. So third I am solving here. Let the supplement of 154 be x. So we know that sum of supplementary angles is 180 degrees. It means 154 plus x must be equal to 180 degrees. Therefore we get 154 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. Now transpose 154 to RHS. Transpose 154 to RHS. So we will get x is equal to 180 minus 154. This is equal to 10 minus 4 is 6. Return 1 borrow. 8 minus 6 is 2. 26 degrees. Therefore, last item must be written in words. We have got supplement of 154 is supplement of 154 degrees is 26 degrees. Dear friends, we have third question in exercise 5.1. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. So we are given two pairs of angles and we are asked to recognize which pair is complementary and which pair is supplementary. We know that if the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then we call those angles as complementary, and if the sum of two angles is 180 degrees, then we call those angles as, we call that pair as supplementary. So let us write the rule. We know that sum of complementary angles is 90 degrees and sum of supplementary angles, supplementary angles, supplementary angles is 180 degrees. Now let us check one by one. First is 65 plus 65 plus 65 and 115. Let us check. 65 plus 115 is equal to 5 plus 5 is 0, 1 carries, 6 plus 1 plus 1 is 8 and 100 plus 1. It means this pair is supplementary. Therefore 65 degrees and 150 degrees are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Then second is, similarly you can solve the further part and you can use the video just for checking your answers. Second is 63 and 27. Let us do the addition of 63 plus 27. You will get 7 plus 3 is 10, 1 carry, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1 carry, 9. Here sum is 90 degrees. So we can say that this pair is a complementary pair. So here 63 and 27 is a complementary pair. Then third is 112 and 68. 112 and 68 degrees. Let us do the addition of this. You will get 8 plus 2, 10, 1 carries, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8, again 100 plus, again sum is 180 degrees. Therefore, we can say that 112 and 68 are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Then next fourth is 130 and 50 degrees. Let us do the addition of this. 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 3 is 8 and 1. Sum is 180 degrees. It means the pair is supplementary. Therefore, we can say that 130 and 50 is a supplementary pair. Then next question is 45 and 45. Here 45 plus 45 is 90 degrees. Therefore 45 and 45 are complementary angles. And the last is 80 and 10. So let us do the addition of this. 80 plus 10 is 90. Hence we can say that 80 and 10 are complementary angles. Please always remember the rule. If the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then angles are complementary, and if the sum of two angles is 180 degrees, then those angles are supplementary.